Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Rafa Cortez and today we are celebrating Arduino Day with an exciting project. But before we dive in, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated in all our future projects. Today I'm going to show you a project that combines the magic of robotics and creativity with Arduino. Have you ever dreamed of having your own Boston Dynamics style robot dog? Well, here is mine. This incredible robot is powered by none other than 12 servomotors, all managed by an Arduino Nano board. But that's not all. It also connects to a Raspberry Pi and uses OpenCV to follow me. It's like having a cybernetic furry friend. Now let me walk you throughout the creation process. First, I designed all the pieces using 3D modeling software. You can see the design on the screen as I speak. Once I was satisfied with the design, I 3D printed the pieces. Here are some of the printed parts. But how will does this robot follow? Let's put it to the test. As you can see, it followed me around seamlessly. It's amazing. Future upgrades and developments. But this is just the beginning. I plan to continue developing this project and make my robot dog do even more incredible things. Soon, I will teach him to shake hands and who knows, maybe even potty training. Creativity is the limit when working with Arduino. Importance of Arduino. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize the importance of Arduino in this project. Arduino not only makes programming the servomotors easy but also provides a versatile and accessible platform for creating all kinds of projects. On events like Arduino Day, we celebrate the community and innovation that this platform fosters. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing my robot project. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and share the video. Don't forget leave comments and suggestions about your ideas for future projects. See you in the next video and happy Arduino Day everyone!